Hey, good morning, wherever you are. I am taking the animals out for a walk here on our little lavender farm in southwest Idaho. I'm Jerome Eberharder out in the Boise, Idaho area, and my wife and I, Lori, we live off the grid here. We're working on a little lavender farm, and also we work remotely. So if that's something that appeals to you, if you're looking for an income now, then you're in the right place. So the question to you is just that. Are you looking for a remote income? And if you are, you're in the right place right now. And this little video is really focused on partnering for an e-commerce income. And what do I mean by that? I mean partnering with a company that will help you do the heavy lifting, and so that you don't have to start from scratch. I've had a lot of businesses, 6 in last count, that I have started from scratch. It's a great way to go. Put our kids through college, but boy, it was a huge amount of work. So all those businesses are sold now, and now I get to work from home. I get to help people like you do that as well. So if you're looking, this is the place to be. So that question is, why a business partnering for income? Well, there's more than that to this. It's number one, partnering. Number two, it's e-commerce. As you know, so much of the world is changing from brick and mortar to click and order. And so you can be part of that with us. You can be part of that by partnering with a great company that has the history and does all the heavy lifting for us. So wherever you go, that's a big suggestion of mine is take a look at how to partner with a business so that you can jump into income this month and not have to go through all the kinds of stuff you do for insurance or other kinds of businesses would have a huge learning curve. You can start creating income with us this month because we do those two things. Number one, we partner with a great company, and then number two, we really focus on the e-commerce side of the world, which is where everything is going. So once again, please jump in. It's free. Jump into our Facebook group. The link is down below. Also down below, I've got a wonderful document for you. It's a PDF you can download, take a look at. It's called the 9 Success Factors of a Business from Home. So hope you'll look at that. And when I say home, I mean you might be in your RV, you might want to travel, you might want to work from your kitchen table. Those are the kinds of things that I think we all need for the freedom that we're all looking for. That time freedom to have income. Time and energy, yes. Commitment, yes. Big cost, no. And so this is a great way to get started. So as I finish this short little video out, please remember the 3 R's. No matter where you are or what kind of business you want to start, you really want 3 things. Number one, remote, right? You want to work from anywhere, whether it's your kitchen table, the RV, or on your travels. Number two, it's got to be repeat income you can count on every single month. And then number 3, it's got to be reliable. You have to know that for your work, that income is going to be there. So hope this has a little value for you. Jump into our free Facebook group, download the 9 success factors. If you want to reach out to me and just have a little chat about what you're looking for and the kind of income we have here for you, then my number's down below as well. So take good care. Thanks for being here, and I'll talk with you very soon.